The Office of the Vice President's legal team has diligently reviewed key legislative and policy measures, those pending, those proposed, and those ripe for our support. Allow me to highlight some of the crucial areas where we believe legislative and executive action is not just beneficial, but essential. Equally vital is the conversation around the Civil Union Act, Senate Bill number 449, proposed by Senator Robin Hood Padilla. This bill seeks to amend our family code, defining civil unions as legal relationships for same-sex couples and granting rights in areas like property, inheritance, adoption, and social security. I invite scholars to study the social and economic implications of the Civil Union Act as we endeavor to address the unique circumstances of civil partners, moving beyond mere accommodation to genuine tailored inclusion.